In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My Mac. The first thing we need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner. In the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, select your name at the very top. Inside your Apple account settings, select iCloud. Inside your iCloud settings, find the section labeled Save to iCloud and click on the See All button next to it. A pop-up will appear. Look for Find My Mac and tap into that. In the next pop-up, select Turn On. You will then receive an alert. Once you're ready, select Allow. You'll need to enter the password you used to sign in to the user account on your Mac, then select OK. Find My Mac has now been successfully turned on. I'd also recommend turning on Find My Network if it is not already enabled. Once done, click Done, then Done again. You can now exit System Settings and start using your Mac just as you normally would. That's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.